How to change or add location or region on Instagram profile. In today's tutorial, I'll show you guys how to do that. So let's just jump right in without any further delay. Open up your Instagram app first. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Then tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Once you land on your profile page, you should have an option to edit profile. And once you tap on edit profile, if you scroll down, you'll have contact option. This is only available on professional mode, so make sure that your professional mode is turned on. As you can see, I've gotten my professional dashboard here, meaning that my professional mode is turned on. So if I scroll down here, I can see the contact option, but there is no option to add any address here or the region or location. So that is because I have a creator account. So what I'm going to do is change it to a business account. Tap on professional dashboard, click on the settings icon, and then from here, go to account types and tools or creator tools and controls. Switch account type, and I'm going to switch it to business account. Tap on switch. And once you have switched this to business account, you can just go ahead and tap on edit profile again. Go to the contact option right here, go to contact options. And now you can add a business address. So click on this. You can add your location, town, city, or postal code, and you can change your region from here. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.